pollution in the sea. And first of all, I will introduce our team. And first, my name is Riki Ahmad Nusulhan.
The second, my name is Arfa Besel Diva.
My name is Johnson Boy.
My name is Rahmar Lito Sirait.
My name is Ricky Rivaldo.
And last, my name is Ahmad Arif. That all of us from Team A. Okay, thank you very much.
Abstract. Seawater is a component that interacts with the land environment, where land water originates and goes to the ocean. Waste containing pollutant will enter coastal waters and marine ecosystem. Some dissolve in water, some sink to the bottom and concentrate sediment, and some into the body tissues of marine organisms. This research was conducted to determine the level of seawater pollution on the coast. Natural resources must be guaranteed to be sustainable, including by maintaining the marine environment. Marine pollution occurs due to industrial waste and household waste. Environmental law enforcement against marine pollution can be seen in Law Number 23 and 30. In Law Number 32 of 2009 concerning environmental control and management. For more clarity, it can also be seen in the Minister of Environmental Regulation Number 51 of 2004 concerning seawater quality standards, which explain that seawater quality standards can be said to be normal or polluted. The problem in this research is what factors hinder law enforcement against marine pollution in coastal areas. The results of the research are that environmental law enforcement against marine pollution in coastal areas is not yet oriented toward the law enforcement aspect because there are no strict sanctions against perpetrators of marine pollution in coastal areas. The inhibiting factor in enforcing environmental law against marine pollution in coastal areas is the lack of human resources in enforcing environmental law, which is meant by the absence of environmental law investigation officer or PPLH in BPPLH in several regions who are tasked with investigating every complaint from the public regarding violation of environment. Then the lack of supervision, but both supervision of regulation or policies regarding of the environment as well as direct supervision of the location of the pollution. Weak coordination between environmental investigation official and the authorities. In this case, the police regarding cases of environmental pollution, especially those that occurs in coastal areas.
Background: the shipping industry is one sector with high cracks accident wonder-based hazard. Occupational health and safety, or OEC, is crucial aspect to be implemented to ensure the well-being of workers and prevent potential accident. This paper will discuss in the implementation of OFC shipping industry. Industry risk individuation, prefer measure and rules to government, and comprehensive smelting, work safety and healthy. The study was elected from systematic review of course literally relation of two research topic. In particular is what shipping of the basic and analysis, the literal and interpretation, gaps, etc. Previous study and relationship to communication. By communication with other people, John and Foss, 209, in similar communication organization context. A key to focusing and organization and spreading from essential to everything that course organization life.
Definition of analysis. Operational pollution means that marine pollution caused by ship is not limited to accident. Actually, most of the pollution are released during the voyage of the ship, not by accident. Marine transportation generates negative impact on the marine environment, including greenhouse gas emission, air pollution, release of ballast water containing aquatic invasive species. Garbage historical use the antifoulants giving directly to the sea of raw sewage. Oil and chemical spills, dry bulk cargo release, resulting of oil and water after deck washing operation.
Okay, literature review. The most important convention prepared under the leadership of the International Maritime Organization regarding ship-related pollution is the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, or MARPOL. Shortly, MARPOL 73778, this contract, to which many countries are beetles, has 6 annexes, or EMO 202 2028, Annex Regulation for the Prevention of Pollution by Oil, Annex 2, Regulation for the Control of Pollution by Noxious Liquid Substance in Bulk, Annex 3, Prevention of Pollution by Harmful Substance carried by sea in packaged form, Annex 4, Prevention of Pollution by Sewage from Ships, Annex 5, Prevention of Pollution by Garbage from Ships, Annex 6, Prevention of Air Pollution from Ships. When the literature is researched, there are many studies on marine pollution originating from ships. In addition, it was seen that studies were carried out on air pollution caused by ship emission and their effect on human health. The literature on the subject was reviewed, and studies on environmental pollution caused by ships are given in Table 1. In the study, the cause of marine and air pollution caused by the routine operation of ships were examined by reviewing the literature, and the indicator found were evaluated by experts such as inspector, technical director, and designated person ashore working in ship management.
For the research method is, a methodology is a general approach to studying a research topic. It establishes how one will go about studying specific phenomenon. This chapter provides a detailed description of the methodology designed and applied for this study. It begins with a discussion of the methods used for the data collection, which is followed by a systematic account of the data collection process in the field. Next is a description of the ways the collected data was processed. Finally, ethical considerations relevant to this study are given at the end of this chapter.
Conclusion. In the study, environmental pollution caused by the routine operation of the ship has been discussed in this context. Practice in routine operation of ship that cause environmental pollution are list based on expert opinion according to their damage to the environment. The perception of ship operator about environmental pollution has been revealed. The main and sub criteria formed as a result of the literature review. We are presented to the expert group with a questionnaire, and they were asked to compare these criteria and sub criteria. In the study, HP technique, which is the most used method among multi-criteria decision-making technique and effective method in pair comparison. Was asked according to the priorities, obtain a result of the calculation specific to AHP. It is seen that the damage to the environment by marine pollution caused by oil and gas in the first place.
For the advice is, therefore, by implementing environmentally sensitive ship operator management policy, this improvement becomes important ship crew awareness about environmental pollution and its damage to the environment. For maritime environment pollution prevention training and to eliminate operational defects in preventing marine pollution.
Maybe only this presentation from us. Billah taufiq wal hidayah wal ridha wal inayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for attention. Bye.